MochaHost Review. Is it the right hosting choice for you? What is MochaHost? MochaHost is a hosting provider known for its wide range of services and competitive pricing. It offers everything from shared hosting to dedicated servers, making it suitable for personal websites, small businesses, and large enterprise projects. Who is MochaHost for? MochaHost is ideal for users who need a versatile hosting solution with advanced features. Whether you're running a personal blog, a small business site, or a large application, MochaHost provides the flexibility and scalability to support various needs. Why should you consider MochaHost? Wide range of plans. MochaHost offers a variety of hosting options. Shared hosting starts at approximately $3.18 per month. Ideal for small personal websites or blogs. Business hosting begins around $4.18 per month. Suitable for growing sites that need more control and resources. MochaHost, priced from $6.68 per month. Perfect for large applications and enterprise-level projects. Advanced features includes lightspeed caching, SSD storage, and advanced security features to enhance website performance and protection. Impressive uptime. MochaHost boasts a high uptime rate, ensuring your site remains accessible and reliable. Competitive pricing offers cost-effective plans with a range of features, providing good value for money, particularly for users needing advanced functionality. Specialized support provides technical support tailored to handle a variety of hosting-related issues. Personal opinion. Why MochaHost might be right for you. MochaHost excels with its diverse range of hosting options and competitive pricing. If you're looking for a hosting provider with a strong feature set and scalability, MochaHost is a solid choice. Its advanced features and flexible plans offer great value, especially for users who need both performance and affordability. Find the link for MochaHost in the description of this video for promos and discounts. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more hosting reviews and comparisons. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer MochaHost, or is there another hosting provider you'd like me to review?